If you drink blueberries juice every day, what happens to the body? First, blueberries promote healthy skin because they are rich in vitamins A and C, both of which help with collagen production and fight skin aging. A prominent feature of blueberries is their high content of antioxidants, particularly anthocyanins, which have been strongly linked to reducing oxidative stress and protecting against chronic diseases. These antioxidants help improve heart health, lower blood pressure, reduce cholesterol levels, and enhance blood vessel function. Studies have shown that their intake may help improve memory and cognitive function, which is attributed to their anti-inflammatory and antioxidant stress compounds in the brain. In addition, the fiber content in blueberries aids digestion, promotes intestinal health, and has the potential to reduce the risk of digestive diseases. Share with someone who need it and drop a "Yes, I will try it." Now tell me, from which country do you watching this video? Leave in the comment and follow us. Thank you.